Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the purchase and warranty date of any Pixel smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and now just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option written device health and support. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again and now you will see here one option written warranty. Just click on it. Now you will see here the respective purchase date, so you can see clearly the purchase date of my respective Pixel smartphone. So you can see here, and on the above you can still see active written. That means still a warranty is available for my respective Pixel smartphone. So you can see here the last date. I have a warranty right now on my Pixel smartphones. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find the purchase and warranty date of any Pixel smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.